front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Start by opening settings and scrolling a tiny bit to click on display and brightness. Then select fonts. Click on latest or free and select the best font style for you. Tap on download, hit apply, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. If you will ever wanna go back to your default font style, you can do that in the same settings by tapping on Me section and clicking on Default here. Then tap on Apply button and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!